I just had to switch over to single frequency. The multi-frequency was just going crazy, man. There's just no way I was able to tame it down. Junk. I was in a couple different multi-frequency programs. It was just not working. This one sounded kind of junky here. I'm in my coin and jewelry program. This is Canslaw here. I'm in the coin and jewelry program, 40 kilohertz.
Oh boy.
Ooh, it sounds junky.
Yeah, but look how wet it is.
Oh my gosh, yeah, there's no way. That is not gonna come out today. It's just way too wet. Just soupy grass here. Oh my gosh, it's getting worse. Dang, man.
This is feeling better over here.
Can go for this one here.
Well, I thought it was really good.
Oh my gosh, it is really mushy here.
Pretty terrible in it, man.
Oh boy, just gummy soil here. Screamer now. I'm in single frequency.
Oh, worms in this ground.
Oh, dude. Look at that. Be really careful with it and pop it.
Is it a buckle?
It's a buckle, yeah. Open it up, dude. Pop it.
I don't want to break it.
Just pop it out there. Oh, yeah, dude. Freaking epic, dude.
That's 2 buckles now.
Yeah, he found a buckle without a clasp, and I just found a buckle with a clasp on it. But if I try to move this around, it's gonna break it off of it. That is freaking awesome, man. Sweet! Really mushy ground over here.
You know, I wouldn't have thought, as dense as this clay is, that there'd be so many worms.
Yeah. Oh, there's something else down there too. I see a coin right underneath that iron buckle. Is it a coin? I'm gonna take my hat off here, my hood. It's not raining right now, so I can take it off here. Underneath that buckle, I just pulled that buckle out right there. What is underneath that buckle right there? That old ass buckle. What do we got? What is that? I got it too close to the camera there. Sorry, guys. It's a non-ferrous target underneath that.
Gold tooth?
I don't know what it is. I can't do it with one hand. I need to put my camera on my head here.
I can hold the camera for it if you want me to.
If you're making videos, please put a camera on your head or your body. I've seen several videos where people have a phone in their hand, they're trying to metal detect. Don't try to metal detect with a phone in your hand, please, man. Right? Looks like a rivet. Or maybe, I don't think it's a shotgun head stamp. Is it a rivet? Yeah, it might be. It's a rivet. Yep, it's a rivet. Gonna go for it. There's another target right here in the mud. Right in here. Oh, something hard there. Is it iron? Let's see what we got here. It's iron. It's iron. Just a ball of iron right there. Yeah. Oh boy, this is gonna be a messy freaking hole. I'm just gonna end this escapade here. I'm gonna end it. Just gonna make a big mess here in this mushy ground here. Trying to find nails down there. That was awesome. It was a buckle, man. Awesome. Really mushy ground here. Oh boy. Need to pull up my knee pad here. It's all soaking wet. There we go.
It's green.
It's green?
Yeah.
Be really careful with it, dude. Oh, it's some brass. Anytime something, oh, does it have a pattern on it?
Kinda, yeah.
Rub it, dude. Give it some rubs, man. Oh, it's really fragile. It's gonna fall apart. Yeah. A relic. Relic-y looking in there. So the detector's really quiet here in 40 kilohertz, single frequency. You know, and multi-frequency was just too much. There's so much EMI in the spot here. It's just crazy.
It's this blacked out car over here.
I don't know, kind of sketched me out a little bit. Oh, right here, dude, right? Check this one out. Screamer deep, too. Sweep it shallow, narrower. Narrower. There you go, just like that. There you go. Because when you sweep wider, you're going to get all those other tones that are kind of disrupting it. The narrower your sweep on the target there, you'll get a better tone. This one's a deeper target here, non-ferrous. Oh boy, right there, right there. Oh. Screamer. Right there. I don't know what it is.
Detect over here. That's
Some brass. It's some brass there, some kind of brass fitting. Yeah, some brass. Some garbage. Well, thank you for watching.